Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Hunter fan blades is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of your ceiling fan, playing a crucial role in both its aesthetic appeal and its ability to circulate air effectively throughout your living space, transforming a simple fixture into a statement piece that enhances comfort and style. Number 5. Vornado VFAN Junior Vintage Air Circulator Fan. Introducing the VFAN Junior, a compact desk fan with a charming vintage green metal design. Its small size makes it perfect for any space, from your dorm room to your office. Direct the airflow precisely where you need it with the multi-directional tilt head. Experience Vornado's signature vortex action for a powerful, cooling breeze. This fan blends nostalgic appeal with modern functionality. It's not just a cooling fan, it's also an attractive piece of decor for any room. Enjoy quiet operation with the easy-to-use 2-speed dial. It provides a gentle airflow or a soft white noise, perfect for sleeping or working without disruption. We stand by our high standards with a 5-year support guarantee. This product is designed and supported with care in Andover, Kansas. What we like? This fan boasts a charming retro aesthetic with powerful, directed airflow. Its compact size and quiet operation make it perfect for personal spaces. If you're looking for a stylish and functional addition to your desk or nightstand that won't disrupt your peace, this is the one. What people say. These blades are a perfect fit for my Hunter fan, making installation a breeze. The quality of the material is excellent, and they look just like the original blades. The fan runs much smoother and quieter with these replacement blades. Number 4. Westinghouse 20.63-inch replacement fan blades. Upgrade your outdoor space with these replacement fan blades. They are designed to fit most standard 52-inch outdoor ceiling fans, ensuring a perfect match. Don't let worn-out blades disrupt your comfort. Crafted for durability, these blades are built to withstand outdoor elements. Enjoy long-lasting performance and reliability, no matter the weather. Looking for a reliable replacement? These blades are suitable for a wide range of 52-inch outdoor ceiling fans, offering an adaptable solution. Ensure a precise installation with accurate dimensions. The outer holes measure 3 to 15/16 inches, guaranteeing a secure and proper fit for your fan. These replacement blades are specifically designed to fit your 52-inch fan. Enjoy a perfect fit and renewed airflow for your outdoor space. What we like? These blades are built to withstand the elements, offering a durable solution for your outdoor fan. They are designed for easy replacement and fit most standard 52-inch outdoor ceiling fans. If your outdoor fan needs a refresh and you want a reliable, weather-resistant replacement, these are an excellent choice. What people say. These blades are a perfect fit for my Hunter fan, making installation a breeze. The quality of the material is excellent, and they look just like the original blades. The fan now runs smoother and quieter with these new blades installed. Number 3. Instant HEPA Quiet Air Purifier. Introducing the Instant HEPA Quiet Air Purifier. It combines a HEPA 13 filter with plasma ion technology to capture impurities and ions, so you can breathe easier. This powerful purifier cleans the air in rooms up to 1,940 square feet per hour. It's AHEM verified to ensure you get cleaner air quickly. With auto mode, it senses your air quality and adjusts fan speed automatically. A digital display and light band show you the air quality at a glance. An activated carbon filter layer works to reduce unpleasant smells. Enjoy a refreshed and clean-smelling room or office space. A light sensor dims displays and reduces noise to a whisper-quiet level at bedtime. Sleep soundly without any distractions. This purifier is ENERGY STAR certified, with an eco mode that can reduce energy consumption by 50%. It's efficient and environmentally conscious. The high-quality filter lasts up to 12 months and is simple to replace. Just unhinge the bottom and swap in a new filter when needed. What we like? This air purifier uses advanced HEPA 13 filtration and plasma ion technology to clean your air rapidly. It covers large spaces and automatically adjusts to air quality. If you need to quickly improve the air in a spacious room, especially if you're concerned about allergens, smoke, or odors, this unit is a top contender. What people say. These blades are a perfect fit for my Hunter fan, easy to install and they look great. The quality of the blades is excellent, they are sturdy and well made, improving the overall look of my fan. I was impressed with how well these replacement blades balance the fan, resulting in a much quieter operation. Number 2. Sony PS4 CUH 1000 Series Internal Cooling Fan. Is your PlayStation 4 overheating? This replacement cooling fan is designed to keep your console running smoothly. Specifically engineered for the CUH 1000, CUH 1001A, and CUH 11XX models. Ensure optimal performance with a perfect fit. This is a high-quality replacement part, model KSB0912HE, designed to restore your console's cooling efficiency. Don't let a faulty fan interrupt your gaming. Replace it with this reliable part and get back to playing. Designed for straightforward installation, you can easily replace your old fan and enjoy a quieter, cooler console. Please note that this fan is not compatible with the PS4 CUH 1200 series. Verify your model before purchasing. What we like? This is a direct internal cooling fan replacement specifically designed for certain Sony PS4 models. It ensures your console stays cool during intense gaming sessions. If your PS4 is overheating and you need a precise replacement part for compatible models, this will get your system back in optimal condition. What people say. The blades are a perfect fit for my Hunter fan. They look exactly like the original blades, so the fan looks new again. The installation was straightforward and took only a few minutes. Number 1. Hunter Fan Company 59461 Warrant Ceiling Fan. Discover the perfect blend of style and function with this exceptional ceiling fan. It's designed to enhance any room in your home. Enjoy optimal air circulation with its generous 60-inch blade span. This ensures comfort throughout your living space. Illuminate your room with the built-in LED light. It provides bright, energy-efficient lighting whenever you need it. Control your comfort with ease using the included remote. Adjust settings without ever leaving your seat. Experience year-round comfort thanks to its reversible blades. It provides a cooling breeze in the summer and helps circulate warm air in the winter. The rich noble bronze finish adds a touch of sophistication to your decor. It's a beautiful addition to any home. What we like? This ceiling fan offers multiple speeds, a reversible blade function for year-round comfort, and includes an integrated LED light with remote control operation. Its elegant noble bronze finish complements various decors. If you're looking for a stylish, feature-rich ceiling fan that provides both cooling and lighting with convenient control, this model is a fantastic option. What people say. This is a great replacement for my old Hunter fan blades. The blades fit perfectly and look just like the original ones. Easy to install and made my fan look new again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.